Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford F150 back window. First, confirm the tailgate is unlocked and the vehicle is parked. Locate the interior latch near the cab or the exterior handle on the tailgate. If your truck has a power window control, press and hold the switch while supporting the glass. For manual models, lift the latch and slide the window up or down until it clicks securely. To use the manual release, sit in the cab and locate the small lever near the headliner above the rear seat. Grip the glass or handle with one hand and pull the latch with the other to disengage the lock. Guide the glass downward slowly and evenly to prevent binding. Once the window reaches the desired opening, ensure it clicks into the detent so it stays secure while driving or loading cargo in the bed. For a power back window, locate the switch on the center console or rear panel and press it gently. Keep a hand on the glass to steady movement and listen for the motor sound to confirm operation. If the window does not move, inspect the fuse box and battery connection for power issues. Avoid forcing the glass by hand to prevent damage to the motor or tracks, and consult a mechanic if electrical troubleshooting fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.